Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Haziqah Ilmiah Binti Suhaimi. My matrix number is 201093, and today I'm going to talk about how aquifer works and how what happening on the ground could potentially affect drinking water below the ground. So let's get started. So what we need will be a container, a few rocks, colored water, glasses, and also a pump. Wasting our time, let's get started. So first of all, we need to put our rocks inside the container. So this rock will represent the ground itself. Here I put the rocks in one side to represent a hill. So next we will going to pour this water into the container to represent the water itself. So here we can see this is the surface water, and this is the under this layer of rocks is the groundwater itself. So human use groundwater for many things, especially on daily basis. They use it as drinking water sources, to take a bath, brush their teeth, or clean their vegetables and fruits. So what we will be needing to pump up the water is a water well. So in this model, I will be using a shampoo or a soap pump to represent the water well itself. So I will be putting it here. So this is the groundwater that have been extracted using the water well. So nowadays, the rapidly increasing waste generated have been worrying all of the country around the world. So one of the way to handle this is by having a landfill. So in this scenario, I will be showing you guys how landfill will eventually polluted our groundwater. So landfill usually have a protective layer to prevent it from seeping through into our groundwater. But in certain cases, this protective layer might have a crack and causing it to seeping through our groundwater and eventually contaminated it. So I will be showing you guys by using my model for a better understanding. So I will be using this to represent a landfill. So I will be putting it here, and then this green colored water will represent the leachate itself that's seeping through from the landfill into our groundwater. So, as the time passes by, the leachate will eventually get into our groundwater. So I will be showing you guys what will happen to our groundwater by extracting it using our water well. So this is the water that had been pumped from the water well after the leachate seeping through into our groundwater. So I will be showing you guys the difference between the water that have been pumped up before the landfill was places, and after the landfill was places. As you can see, it's a massive difference in color. So as I showed you guys before, the existence of a landfill itself if it not taken care seriously, will eventually cause harm not to only our groundwater but to us, to us human ourselves. This is because we use groundwater on our daily basis as our drinking water, our to shower, to brush our teeth, to cook. So contaminated groundwater will eventually cause us human to be sick when we consume it. So this show how important is it for us to take care of our groundwater, so it will not causing harm to us in the future. So I guess that's all from me. With that, I thank you.